celebrating our graduation from first trimester of Joy's second trimester.
Mag-i-interview kami ng mga tao ngayon.
May pa-gender reveal kasi mamaya. So we'll ask people
kung ano hula nila.
Ano hula nila. Okay, game. Let's start with
Trish, ano hula mo? Girl or boy?
Girl.
Ikaw, ano hula mo?
team girl or
Team girl. Girl. Girl.
Girl.
Team girls kami.
Okay.
Ano ka ba lagi?
Did you have morning sickness?
Yes.
anong
Girl. Team girl.
Anong symptoms mo kay Helix? Same or different?
Mas malala yung ngayon.
Girl.
Boy.
Wow.
Girl.
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 Oh, sige, boy. Ay, hindi mo rin alam.
So girl or boy?
Oh my God.
Girl or boy?
Sino may alam yung gumawa ng
Girl or-
cake? Boy.
Boy daw,
Ako,
boy.
girl ako.
Wait lang. Boy ako, boy.
Boy. Ilan na yung total? Parang
Tatlo pa lang yung
Parang
Ano
girl
yung
boy.
boy.
Hindi, a baby girl or a baby boy?
Fried chicken.
Boy?
Girl. Girl.
Si Chinika, ano hula mo? Girl. Girl or boy?
Girl or boy?
Girl. Ano hula mo? Girl or boy? Girl or boy? Girl.
Boy ako, boy.
Boy.
Team boy.
Girl, team ko na yan.
Girl din. Boy.
Pero team ko, boy.
Morning sickness ka ba, Joy?
Mas masuka ako ngayon.
Baka girl. Baka girl. Baka girl.
Gano'n ba yun? Sign?
Ha?
Gano'n ba
Yun
yung
yung
sign?
sabi.
Yun yung sabi.
Kasi kay Kilik,
Wala masyado ako ikilig sa
Okay, ni girl na yan.
sa akin malala eh. Girl.
Girl. Girl.
Girl?
Girl. Maraming kalaro si Mika. Team talong. Team talong. Or team tahong. Talong ako.
Bakit? Talong?
Dapat pala ganun, no? Team talong or team tahong? Talong ako. Ikaw?
Girl.
Girl. Daming girl.
Girl. Girl. Girl. Girl.
Girl. Oh, you guess what?
You guess. Baby boy or girl? Girl.
Ikaw, girl or boy?
Girl din.
Girl or boy?
Gusto niyan po eh.
Since friends tayo, I hope it's a girl.
But you think it's a boy?
It's a girl. Have to believe.
Kilig. Ano sa tingin mo? Girl or boy?
Girl.
Si Yaya, ano sa tingin mo?
Same sa kanya.
Girl.
Mas
Girl.
magaling mag-ilagay ng girl eh.
Boy. Ikaw. Boy. Ikaw, Glenn. Girl.
Girl. Ikaw pa. Girl or boy?
Sa'yo? Boy.
Girl, boy. Ayun na yun.
Okay, wait lang. Siyempre, sabay-sabay po tayong magbilang. Okay, magsisimula tayo sa 10. Okay, mommy and daddy, ready na po ba sila?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ready? Count po tayo. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Congratulations, mommy and daddy! Dahil meron naman si Kellex, baby boy!
So, we're back at home from the gender reveal that we did a while ago.
So how do you feel na
it's a boy again?
Sa totoo lang, no, I was, I guess I was disappointed nung sa first baby and we found out na it's a boy because back then, I really wanted a girl. But then we had Felix and he turned out to be the standard.
Standard. The bar is now so high, no?
With Felix as the firstborn. But now, now that we found out that it's a boy again, okay naman ako. Hindi naman ako na-disappoint. I wanted a girl, but then, okay lang din the boy kasi makakatipid ako sa clothes.
Sa bagay.
Yun.
As for me, well, I originally wanted to have a baby girl. Siyempre, may baby boy na and wanted to have a girl, no? And parang I envisioned myself to be a girl dad. But I guess...
Hindi yun mangyayari.
I guess wala na siya sa picture. But yeah, I'm okay naman with a boy. I just preferred a girl.
Ayun, yun lang.
So we hope that you enjoyed our video a while ago. And yeah, it's going to be
A riot here.
a riot in the next few months.
Hindi pa naman. Sa November pa.
Sa November.
Early as October.
And we'll see later what Felix thinks, kung how he feels
Towards
about
his baby brother. What do you feel na the baby that mommy is carrying is a boy?
I'm happy.
You're happy that it's a boy?
Yeah.
Ayaw mo, girl?
Ayaw ko girl.
Yeah, sobrang saya niya na it's a boy. So, what are you going to do with Shoti? Are you going to love Shoti?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Are you going to take care of Shoti?
The bad one.
You're the bad wolf.
Okay. Busy na siya dyan.
Inside the house.